Hi everyone, my name is Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then I create positive videos and motivational videos for the women who wants to connect back to their divine self-worth and wants to live life from more abundant and more receiving side, from more softer side. So if you are the one who wants to connect back to your divine self-worth as a soul, as a woman, then my channel is for you. So, what I wanted to share, what I realized and what I have been practicing and I have been noticing about me is how to know that we are really not valuing ourselves. I created this video and posted, you can go and check it out. ओके मैं लिंक में भी डाल दूँगी या फिर थंबनेल में आपको ऊपर लास्ट में वीडियो के एंड में दिख जाएगा. What I realized is that which I have been also noticing, and you can also notice this in yourself, that how you don't value yourself. When I talk about dressing up, looking good, okay, I'm not saying that you are not good enough right now, okay, or do it for someone else to impress people, because then you are doing it from the wounded feminine side. You are trying to, you are putting so much effort and force in wanting to be noticed, wanting to be loved. Imagine a small child, okay, the child is just born. क्या आप चाइल्ड को ये बोलोगे कि जाके अच्छे कपड़े पहन कर आओ, तब मैं तुम्हें देखूंगी या फिर मैं तुम्हें गोद में लूंगी या फिर मैं तुम्हें प्यार करूंगी? नो राइट. आप क्या करोगे एज अ मदर? यू विल डू इट फॉर द चाइल्ड, यू विल गिव द लव. ओके, यू माइट नॉट बाय द क्लोथ्स, ओके, द फादर माइट बाय द क्लोथ, बट वट यू विल डू कि आप पहनाओगे, आप उसे सजाओगे, आप उसे नहलाओगे, आप उसे प्यार करोगे, राइट? सो व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट ड्रेस अप, look good, look beautiful, look pretty, enhance your look, okay? However you look, enhance it. Do it for yourself. I am talking to your inner child who never received that, maybe from your mother. Okay, maybe she was busy, maybe she was herself wounded, maybe she did not know, maybe she did not receive it from her mother. I'm mainly talking to the women in this video, okay? Or whatever was the scenario, when I talk about dress up, look good, know about yourself, know about your body type, the kind of jewelry which suits you, okay, the kind of color and textures which suits you. I am telling you to reconnect with your inner child who never received it, rather than being jealous of women who look good, who look pretty, who take care of themselves, rather than criticizing them or being jealous of them. Look inside yourself, look within, okay, and ask yourself, okay, why am I jealous or triggered by her beauty, or by her grooming, or by the, or for the, or the way she carries herself, or the way she dress up, and the way she walks, and the way she is? Which part of me did not receive this? Which part of me never felt that uh, she is loved? Which part of me is suppressed, wants to be seen, wants to be loved like that? Because somewhere you are not giving that love to yourself, because when you were a child, it was okay to blame your parents and blame your surroundings, and banta bhi hai, theek hai, but when you are, but if you are grown up, you know that things are not gonna change, people are not gonna change. If they wanted to change, they would have changed themselves when the child arrived, when the child came, but they did not. And maybe if they wanted to change, they would have made some change now. और मे बी वो अपने अपने ऊपर वर्क करते, ओके, अपने ऊपर इन्वेस्ट करते। आपको उनका पेरेंट बनने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। तो आपको ये रियलाइज़ करना पड़ेगा कि यू हैव टू बी दैट पेरेंट टू योर सेल्फ फर्स्ट, और be willing to heal that part of yourself so that maybe you can attract the kind of coach, the kind of people who are going to help you, rather than being in a victim zone, rather than being jealous, rather than feeling sorry for yourself. Even if you are willing or want to open up to this kind of healing, universe will align those type of people and scenarios and things in your life where you will receive that kind of healing, where they will guide you, they will teach you, they will give you what you never received. But you have to be willing to be, but you have to be willing to receive, open up to receive. If you will feel that, oh, the whole world is bad, women are bad, men are bad, nothing is gonna happen, people are dressing up to seek attention or whatever, maybe they are. But the thing is, you are triggered. You have to ask, why am I triggered? Even if they are doing it for the attention or for anything, you have to ask yourself as a woman, why am I triggered? Why is this bothering me so much? Why she being free, looking good, dressing up, grooming, taking care of her health, of her body, of her food, what she's putting inside her body is triggering you a lot. You have to ask yourself that why, when I see women, which I feel that she is valuing herself, she is investing on herself, why it triggers me, why I feel that I need to criticize her, कि मुझे क्यों उसको नीचा दिखाने का मन करता है, क्यों मुझे उसके बारे में बिचिंग करने का मन करता है, क्यों मुझे उसके बारे में गलत बातें करने का मन करता है, क्यों मैं इतनी ट्रिगर्ड हूँ, क्यों मुझे इतना सैड और इतना जेलसी और इतना कंपेटिटिव फील होता है. Okay, because I have realized that when you will allow yourself to, you know, feel all your emotions without any judgment, you are being your own mother. You are not judging yourself. You are going to your inner mother with all the jealousy, with all the feelings, resentment, sadness, and everything, and you are accepting yourself with all those feelings, for all those feelings. Your inner mother is accepting you, and this will reflect in outside reality also. You will start to attract those type of people who will accept you, even though if you are feeling jealous, you are feeling bad, because now you are willing to work on yourself, now you are willing to put the work, now you are willing to make the changes, because now you have started to accept the part of yourself you felt is bad, dirty, not deserving of love, did not receive love, because now you are willing to be open to feel without judgment. So it will reflect back into your reality also. But if you will close down and feel that so much have happened to me and I'm the one who is victim, everything happens wrong to me, okay, life is bad to me, life have been wrong to me, people are wrong, people only wish bad for me, then you see 24 and 7, if you are thinking about all these things, aren't you manifesting all these things into your reality? Trust me, when I am creating this video, a part of me is terrified, is scared. Okay, but I'm still sitting here and creating because I do not want to hide away anymore. I am what I am right now, and I am healing, and it is gonna take time. But I cannot wait to be healed. Ki one day I will be healed and I will and life will change. Trust me, all these negative emotions I also feel, and I used to push them down. I used to shame myself for those emotions. I used to feel that these emotions are wrong, bad. If I will allow myself to feel these emotions, then I'm not spiritual. I'm not evolved. I'm not good. I am bad. I'm a horrible person. I am jealous of this person. I'm jealous of this child. Okay? I'm jealous of this girl. This is what is happening in me. Okay? But today, what happened is there was a voice in my mind which came, just allow. All your darkness and light is accepted by me. I see you in your raw truth. You don't have to hide away from me. It was like the voice of my inner mother. She was telling me that, Priyanka, you don't have to hide away from me. Okay? Allow yourself to feel jealous. It is okay. You don't have to act on it. Earlier I used to act on it. This time I allowed. And I'm still allowing. Even if I'm creating this video, in back of my mind, there are a lot of things going on. Okay? But this time, I am not telling myself that if I am feeling jealous, resentful, bad, or whatever negative emotions are coming, shame, guilt, fear, unworthiness, whatever is rising in me, I will allow, I will let all these emotions stay with me. I'm not gonna tell myself, because what we do, we push them away by telling ourselves, if I will allow myself to feel all these emotions, then I am not mature enough. I am not evolved enough. I am not good enough. Okay? Then I am not mature. Mature people don't feel all these emotions. Mature people don't feel all these things. Negative, if you are feeling if you are feeling negative emotions, you are not mature, you are bad, you are unsafe. You are not deserving of love. You are not good. That's how we treat our negative emotions and sorry, emotions of others who share their negative emotions with you. Forget about who share negative emotions with you. Let's talk about our. When you are feeling something within, this time you don't have to do so much. हमें कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आपको बस अपने नेगेटिव इमोशन को एक्नॉलेज करने की ज़रूरत है. आप उसको एक्नॉलेज करिए कि मुझे जेलसी फील हो रही है, और उस जेलसी को फील होने दीजिए. ओके? एंड धीरे धीरे आपको समझ में आएगा कि उस जेलसी के पीछे देयर इज़ सैडनेस, देयर इज़ ग्रीफ, देयर इज़ पेन, देयर इज़ हर्ट, देयर इज़ अनमेट नीड. Okay? There is unprocessed grief and pain. There is something you did not receive as a child. There is something you craved to have as a child. There is something you feel that you cannot have. You feel you cannot be. There is something you feel you cannot become. So rather than using that jealousy, that person, to evolve, to grow, what you do, you start to push that person away. Like how you start to throw the pebbles. इसको कैसे ले, एग्जाम्पल में इसको ऐसे ले सकते हैं कि मिरर में आपने अपना रिफ्लेक्शन देखा एंड आप उस पर पत्थर मार रहे हो, जबकि वो आपका ही रिफ्लेक्शन है. कब तक आप उस पर पत्थर मारोगे? आपने एक जगह पत्थर मारा, वो टूट गया, मिरर टूट गया. फिर कहीं और मिरर पे आपने मारा तो वो मिरर टूट गया. जहाँ पे आप जहाँ wherever you are seeing the mirror, okay, you are seeing your reflection, and whenever you are seeing your reflection, you are throwing the pebbles, the stones. and कितना फेंकोगे, कितना मारोगे stones? जहाँ पे आप जाओगे वहाँ पे आपको मिरर, आपके मिरर्स दिखेंगे. जब तक आप उसे पॉज करके रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं कर लेते, एक्नॉलेज नहीं कर लेते कि दिस टाइप ऑफ एनर्जी, दिस टाइप ऑफ वुमेन, दिस टाइप ऑफ पर्सन is triggering something in me which universe wants me to see, and I want to see. This time I want to acknowledge my unprocessed grief, the things which I lost, the things I might not have, I will never have in this lifetime. Maybe those people failed. Maybe those people are not gonna change. Maybe I'm not gonna receive that love from them. Maybe I have to grieve the version of me which always thought that this is possible. Maybe I will have it. What is stopping you from accepting your negative emotions is you running away from your pain, from your grief, from your loss, from your sufferings. And you are thinking that being in a victim zone is easy because in victim zone you can throw pebbles or stones on the mirror. You can complain about others. You can judge others. You can hold others accountable. You can get angry with others. But victim zone, what it does, it will never allow you to look within. It will never allow you to face your shadows. It will never allow you to ask you this question. Maybe I am the reason due to which I am attracting this. Maybe I am the reason due to which I am in this uh, situation. Maybe there is something in me, okay, which is broadcasting in the universe that this is what I am deserving of. Maybe there is some wound in me which I need to heal. Because blaming is very easy. Blaming, gossiping, pointing fingers is very easy. You see it everywhere, everyone is doing it. Whenever you sit somewhere, it is very easy to talk about what is happening wrong in your life, or what others did wrong and how badly they treated you, what उन्होंने क्या गलत किया, क्या सही किया, उन्होंने कैसे आपको ट्रीट किया. इट इज़ वेरी इजी टू टॉक अबाउट ऑल दीज थिंग्स, and we talk, we feel good, we vent all these things out, but deep down you are not happy. You do it again, and if that person stopped you from doing it, you do it with other people who do not stop you. Because trust me, I have been there. Being in a victim space and blaming everyone is very easy, because now you don't have to grow. Now you don't have to take accountability for your own loss, your own pain, your own behaviors, your own darkness, your own character, your own self. Because your victim zone is allowing you to treat others badly, talk badly about others, hurt. Your victim zone is allowing you to hurt others. Okay? Your victim mindset is allowing you to feel sorry for yourself, to be jealous of others' growth, others' progress, to not learn, to not evolve. Your victim mindset is allowing you to to yeah, let's forget about भूल गई. So yeah, I was talking about dressing. So when you are dressing up for that small child, okay, maybe who was not allowed to dress up in a way that you really like, explore textures, explore clothes, explore yourself. Because most of the time we are the biggest mystery for our own self. Trust me, मुझे अपने बारे में रोज कुछ नया पता चलता है, and I'm like, है ऐसा भी है, मैं ऐसी भी हूँ. Okay, I wanted to share this because this big realization came to me, and trust me, growth is not that easy. Okay, a lot of fear comes, you feel like you're gonna die, something wrong is happening, these people are falling out, what is happening, what is wrong. But trust me, everything is aligning. Everything is aligning. The moment you tell yourself now that I want to be better, I want to see what is in me stopping me from becoming the version of myself who have everything that I desire and I want, and maybe I don't know right now I am deserving of, but she feels that version of me, she knows, and she have everything that I am deserving of. Show me, reveal it to me, I am ready. Trust me, universe is gonna align, but you have to be open and willing. If you will be in a victim space, in a victim mindset, and or maybe in a toxic positivity, that everything is gonna work out, everything is gonna work out, okay, this person behaved wrongly with me, doesn't matter. Okay, I don't have to feel bad, I don't have to feel sorry, I don't have to feel sad, I don't have to feel grief. Whatever happened for a reason. I don't want to feel anything. I will be in my head. But trust me, how to know that you are in a toxic positivity? Because I was there. You will still be triggered, and you will be triggered like hell, like triggered, you will be triggered like nothing, but you will still talk positively, you will still try to talk about positive things, but you are triggered. And when you are feeling all those emotions and fears and jealousy and everything, you tell yourself, I don't feel it, I am mature enough, I don't feel it, everything is gonna work out for me. I'm not the kind of person who feel all those negative emotions, those are bad, I am out of those, I am above those emotions. Even though you are triggered, but because you are scared of facing your grief, truth of yourself, and grieving for the loss and for the thing that you did not have, or maybe you will never have from that particular person, that is stopping you. Toxic positivity does not help. I have been there, trust me, ये help नहीं करता. Being in victim mindset, ये भी help नहीं करता. दोनों में से कुछ भी help नहीं करता. अगर कुछ help करता है जो मुझे अभी लगता है is, if you are feeling something, even though you don't know how to allow right now, just allow yourself to feel that emotion for as long as possible, without trying to fix that emotion, without trying to give logic to that emotion, without trying to give story or attaching any stories to that emotion, without trying to go in your past, without trying to fix yourself, without trying to solve that emotion, without trying to take that emotion as a problem that I will solve this now. 1 minute. You don't have to treat your emotions with logic. How when child is feeling something and child is telling you that I am hurt, I am jealous, what you will tell the child? You are stupid, you shouldn't have felt this way, now I will not love you, you are a bad child. People who are bad, they feel like that, and you reject that child? No, right? You will acknowledge their feelings and emotions, and when they are calm, then you will ask that why you felt that. What made you feel that way? And then you will give your logics and everything. Same way you have to do it with yourself. ओके मैंने अब किस चीज़ पे मुझे वीडियो बनाना था और किस चीज़ पे बन गई, बट कोई बात नहीं, मैं दूसरे वीडियो में बना दूंगी वो. सो treat your emotions and everything which is coming up with that kind of presence. That's it. You don't have to do any fancy thing, trust me. You don't have to do any fancy. It is just your mind telling you that to be healed you have to do lot of work and lot of fancy things. No, you just have to be present, silent for a moment, feel your emotions, allow your, or maybe if you don't know how to feel them, just allow yourself to feel whatever is rising. That's it. Okay. And then when I was talking about value, like this, जो भी मैंने अभी वीडियो में बोला, if you will not allow yourself all these things, deep down you are not valuing yourself, because then you are not committed to your soul, to yourself, to your healing, to your growth. You are committed, or you are honest, and you are friends with your victim, mindset. You are honest with your victim mindset. So when I say that, you know, dress well, because when I dress well, I see a lot of women around me, lot of women, they compliment me, they get inspired. Lot of women, they get triggered. And I can feel that they are feeling all these emotions, jealousy and everything. But they tell themselves that I don't feel, I don't care, she is just like that, I will not notice. And some of them, they try to talk bad about me on my back, behind my back. Trying to make me look like a person who always seek attention, or whose character is not good. But that is their shadows, that is their beliefs. Okay. Also, when you are dressing up, when you are wearing clothes, when you are combing your hair, when you are putting kajal, doing your eyebrows, putting lipstick, okay, choosing color for yourself, try to be as present as possible. Okay, try to be as present as possible. I know it is not going to be easy, but this small thing is gonna bring big change in your life, big shift in your life, because now you are choosing yourself, you are valuing yourself. Dressing up is just not about looking good, flaunting, seeking attention. If that is your case, that is a different thing. And if you already dress up good and it is coming from the place of lack, that I am not good enough, I'll only be loved if I'm always looking good, if I'm always dressed well, if I'm always seeking, if people are noticing me, complimenting me, then only I am good. No, not from that place. Do it for yourself. That I am in this human body. This human body is given by the God. All the 5 elements lives within me. I am them. Universe is in my body. I will take care of my body. I value myself so much that I want to treat my body like a temple. क्या आप अपने टेम्पल में कोई ख़राब चीज़ें रखोगे, उसमें धूल मिट्टी होने दोगे? नहीं ना। आप उसे सजाओगे, उसमें खुशबू, यू वुड वांट कि उसमें खुशबू आए, आप उसे सजाओ, आप उसमें धूप बत्ती करोगे, आप उसे साफ़ रखोगे, रोज़ देखोगे कि वो साफ़ है कि नहीं है, आप एक्स्ट्रा केयर करोगे. सो इफ़ यू really worship God, then the God who gave you the body, why you would not worship your body and why you would not value yourself, right? If ये रियलाइजेशन मुझे कुछ टाइम पहले ही हुआ है कि आई एम connecting with God and I love God. But God, who created the universe and all the elements, and उन एलिमेंट्स से जो उन्होंने मेरी बॉडी बनाई है, मैं उसको क्यों नहीं वैल्यू करूं? मुझे अपने बॉडी को वैलिडेशन का इंस्ट्रूमेंट नहीं बनाना. माई बॉडी इज़ होली, माई बॉडी इज़ टेम्पल. आई वॉन्ट टू नो अबाउट दिस टेम्पल. I want to keep my temple clean, beautiful, healthy. If you will shift your mindset from that to this, you will see that आप अपने बॉडी को कितना बेकार ट्रीट कर रहे थे अगर आप कर रहे थे तो. Okay, and you will start to see dressing up as a form of devotion towards the God, towards yourself. I see it like that when I am taking care of my body from the place of love, not from the place of lack. मैंने अपनी बॉडी को इंस्ट्रूमेंट बनाया हुआ था जहाँ पे आई यूज टू सीक वैलिडेशन, आई यूज टू सीक attention from men, from women, all the compliments, because I used to feel I'm not good enough, and if I'm not getting all these attention and all these validation and all these acknowledgements, then I'm not good enough. And I used to do, and मैं बहुत ही क्रैश डाइट करती थी, and yeah, I was very hard on my body, hard on myself. I will work out 5 to 6 times, 7 times. I will not rest because I was using my body against me. I was using my body to seek something which was not coming from the place of love, and all those things which was right for the outside world on paper was not coming from the place of love. But now when I say that, if I am eating something, drinking water, taking a bath, okay, putting lotion on my body, dressing up, putting makeup, I see it as, God, I value you. I value what you gave me. God, I see what you gave me. God, I am so grateful for what you gave me. God, I am taking care. I am mindful of what you gave me. I am worshipping what you gave me. Okay? I will not use it against me. I will see it as your gift, as your love to me, for me, sorry. You will see how the healing will happen. You will stop seeing dressing up, putting time on yourself, in yourself, यही होता है ना, as a chore, as a hard work, कि यार ये बहुत बड़ा लेंदी काम है, मुझे नहीं करना ये, मुझे किसी से अटेंशन सीख नहीं करनी, आई एम गुड द वे आई एम. नो, if you really value yourself now, when you will start to love yourself and value yourself, it will matter what is going inside your stomach. It will matter what you are wearing. It will matter how you are smelling. It will matter how you are looking. Because you value your eyes, your lips, your skin, yourself so much that you don't want them to be harmed by anything. that you would not want to harm yourself, harm anything about you. You will treat everything with love, with devotion, with care, with gentleness. बिकॉज अभी आप अपनी वैल्यू को समझ रहे हो, आपको अपनी वैल्यू समझ में आ रही है. मे बी बहुत टाइम से आपने अपनी वैल्यू को नहीं समझा था, आप अपनी वैल्यू को डिसमिस करते थे. आपको लगा कि यार ये सब चीज़ें तो ऐसी ही होती हैं, ये सब चीज़ें तो नॉर्मल है, मुझे नहीं करना, मेरे पास इसके लिए टाइम नहीं है, मुझे नहीं करना ये सब. लेकिन बैक ऑफ द माइंड में यू वर जेलस ऑफ एवरी वन who were taking care of themselves, or maybe not, but they were doing everything which subconsciously you also wanted to do, but you were not doing because you did not value yourself. You don't value yourself. You don't see yourself like that, because in your mind being in a victim space is easy, is safe, because blaming is safe, reflecting is not safe. Turning this finger like this maybe is not safe. Because trust me, I will not say that I always used to do that, but I was the kind of person who used to I used to dress up, but earlier I used to do all these things from the place of seeking attention, male validation, male attention, them praising me, looking at me, desiring me. And see, in that process, how much, कितने गलत तरीके से मैं अपने बॉडी को, अपने टेम्पल को यूज़ कर रही थी, कितने लैक के प्लेस से मैं अपने बॉडी को यूज़ कर रही थी. मैं अपने बॉडी को बिल्कुल भी रिस्पेक्ट नहीं कर रही थी. It's like, if you will see me, then I am worthy. If you will compliment me, then I am worthy. If you see my dress, then I am worthy. If you compliment me, then I am worthy. If you desire me, then I am worthy. And the moment I used to get rejected, I was like, oh my God, I did all these things. I am putting so much efforts. I go to the gym, I diet, I smell good, I wear good clothes, I am doing all the right things, still I am rejected. Because all those things were not coming from the place of, I want to take care of myself because I worship my body, what God has given me. Because I worship God, I am going to worship my body, because God lives in my body, in my veins. Everything is a part of universe and nature. Nature ने मेरी बॉडी बनाई है. I am the part and one with the universe, with the nature. So if I am grateful of God and loving God, why will I not love myself? Why will I not value my body, myself? This time I am not going to seek attention. This time I am not gonna abuse my body like that. This time I really wanna be the mother I never had to my own self. I do not wanna abuse or use my body for my own victim mentality, because I feel so much happened to me, because I'm scared to face my own truth, my own darkness. I am not gonna do that to my body anymore. I will be the parent I never had, even for my body. I'm not gonna abuse my body. I will stand up for it. I will do the work, and my body deserves my love, my compassion. My body deserves healing. This is how you start to value yourself. This is how, when you will value yourself, you will feel. On this note, I will see you all in my next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Bye. Love you all.